10 Important Strategy for Forex Trading for Beginner. Begin your journey with knowledge. Forex trading isn't gambling, it's a strategic game of numbers. Embrace the power of patience. Hasty decisions lead to mistakes, play the long game. Understand the market. Keep an eye on global events, they shape the trading landscape. Practice risk management. Limit your losses, protect your profits, ensure your survival. Never stop learning. As markets evolve, so should your strategies. Follow a plan. Don't let emotions dictate your moves. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Analyze your performance. Learn from losses and replicate successful trades. Diversify your investment. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use technology. Modern tools can give you an edge.